I just finished my bridal hair trial and my hair has never felt so amazing. I got a grande nitro cold brew. This evening I'm also donating blood, so I have about an hour before I do that. But for now, I'm just gonna sip on my coffee and then probably go shopping. This one's really good. I love a nitro cold brew. I don't know what it is. It's so much better than a regular cold brew. It's the creaminess and it's the fact that it's coffee. And I can taste the coffee, but it's still creamy. I actually decided to go to Costco because it's been a while since I've been to Costco. Last time I brought my cold brew to a grocery store, I spilled it everywhere, so I'm gonna leave this in the car. Is this too much to go to Starbucks to get my free birthday drink? I feel like the tiara is too much. Oh my goodness, guys, this looks so good. I got a venti iced brown sugar oat shaken espresso with sugar-free vanilla syrup, blonde espresso, well, no brown sugar syrup, free sub for caramel syrup, and then sweet cold foam, the vanilla non-dairy sweet cold foam. Oh my gosh, that tastes like ice cream. That literally tastes like ice cream. Guys, this drink was like a $10 drink, so I'm happy that I got something for free. Apparently Tim Hortons also does get a free breakfast wrap or beverage on your birthday too, so I'm gonna hit Tim Hortons up and get free breakfast too. Why not? We are going to medieval times. Now, this is the exact same outfit I wore to Florence and the Machine, I know, but I just truly don't have anything else really medieval that's comfortable. I do have this one top that I tried on earlier, but it wasn't gonna work, so we're going with this. I wanna be comfortable as well, and I feel like it's medieval enough, and if I do my hair more medieval, it'll be better. So we've got the straightener out. We're gonna try to work with this. We do have to leave in half an hour, so like I can't do that much, unfortunately. My hair is still fairly curled from yesterday, but I wanna add a little bit more so I look a little bit more Renaissance. And then I'm gonna do some makeup as well. I want to do the lash clusters, but see how much time I have today. I really want to take my time with the lash cluster. Also, why did one side of my hair stay so curled and so nice and the other just did not? We're just gonna like refresh a bunch of the curls and then leave in about half an hour. And we're gonna pick my mom up on the way. So my mom's going, a couple close friends, and it's gonna be a party of 10, which is really fun. And I can't believe I'm 30. I also have those fun glasses and the shawl I plan on wearing with this outfit, as well as the tiara, duh. I know I have to like wear the crown as well, but at least going there, I can wear the tiara. I'm hoping we get sorted into the black and white, and I'm just hoping everything goes smoothly because I'm really excited and I haven't been in so long. It's gonna be such a fun evening activity, weekend activity. Yeah, I've been looking forward to this all week, so it'll be really fun to spend quality time with friends and family. And that's pretty much all I did on my birthday. The rest of the day when I got home after I got my Starbucks, we had lunch. I got a free sandwich, like breakfast sandwich at Tim Hortons for my birthday, and my Starbucks, as you guys saw earlier, was super good. I couldn't even finish it, so I saved half of it for later. Yeah, that's where we're at now. Now I've got to do this side again. See, because this side's way curlier than the other side. Yeah, I'm just really excited to hang out with quality friends. And going into my 30s, I honestly feel, I don't know how I feel, to be honest. I feel good because I feel like I've heard a lot of good things about being 30, and you know, I'm at a point in my life where I like what I do, I like who I'm with, I like my friends I surround myself with, but it is kind of a weird time because I feel like society definitely pressures, especially women, like be at a certain point in their lives when they're 30. And sometimes I'm like, oh, but I feel like I'm at a good point, to be honest. I don't really have anything to complain about, but it's still in the back of my head. I don't know. There's also like a lot of fun and exciting, but emotional things happening this year. Like we're getting married, and it's just, I don't know. This year is bittersweet for a lot of reasons. The main reason being that I don't talk about it too often, but my dad passed away when I was 17, so I feel like all these milestone moments are bittersweet. That's the thing, I don't really talk about this kind of stuff, but anybody knows who's gone through grief can understand what I'm saying here about how it honestly never goes away, and if anything, you almost get reminded more. I can't find my hairspray, there we go. During moments like this. that one person's gone or whatever. That being said, I'm still excited to get married and excited to celebrate my birthday, but it's obviously bittersweet. I know in the back of my head, not everybody's here. I want to be. And you know, not to say like the company that is here isn't enough. It's just, obviously I miss my dad, especially at milestones like this where, I don't know, I remember feeling sad on my 18th birthday too because he passed away when I was 17, and then when I was 18, obviously that was upsetting because it was within the year, but also it's a huge milestone that I'm like, oh. But anyways, on to happier topics. I also opened a couple presents today. One of my good friends gave me a cute little cat puzzle as well as another miniature. You guys know I love my miniatures. The last one I just finished was like a greenhouse. It's really, really adorable. And she gave me another greenhouse and it's so cute. I'll have to put a B-roll here somewhere. Absolutely love it. Side note, I remember specifically at medieval times, they give out like roses, sashes to different, you know, people who attendees, if you will. I don't know why it's so sticky. It's probably because I had product in it earlier because I got my hair done yesterday. Probably also just too much hair. Oh no, it's because there's product. Oh, it hurts so bad. Got my tiara. Oh yeah. Got my tiara.
Your hands or your swords during its flight. Noble upon a throne gain not only in battle, their
super good, isn't it?
Will for peace, bond to encompass all their lands. Queen Doña Luciana Zaragoza.
Our witch!
At the center of the arena, a trot in place.
Seek the falcon's attention.
Distract her from your behold, she takes a wing! Obviously, you guys can tell that we had a blast just by the screams and the hollering that you hear in the back. The whole show was so well done. Obviously, these are trained professionals doing all this. Honestly, this was a really, really, really fun and cool way to celebrate a 30th birthday. I mean, a 30th birthday is a milestone, and I was thinking of ways to celebrate it that everybody would enjoy, and everybody definitely enjoyed this show. We had food, we had drinks, we had a show, we had entertainment, we had it all. And I'm so grateful to everybody that showed up for me. Are you kidding? Are you actually kidding? Deceased. Absolutely fucking deceased. Ah, they're beautiful. This summer, one of my goals is to move my body each and every day that I can, and signing up for yoga has definitely helped me move towards those goals. I also went to Harvey's like I do every Father's Day because that was somewhere that I have really fond memories of with my dad. And then the next day I did a point class, and that concludes the vlog. I honestly didn't get up to much vlogging this weekend. I was really preoccupied with the activities that you saw earlier and just spending time with loved ones. And I just want to say again, I'm so grateful to everybody that made my birthday so special, friends, my followers, and anybody who wished me happy birthday. That just makes me feel so loved, and it doesn't go unnoticed. So thank you if you wish me happy birthday, or if you're one of my friends watching this video or family members watching this video. I love you lots, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope you get to dance today. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye for now.